Ahmad, can you repeat after me? If a person says that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the buruj of another human being, this person is committing blasphemy and kufr. Can you say this?
No, I don't know. I'll repeat that one more time. I'm reading
Okay,
a
no
reference.
problem.
Okay,
Because
I'm
you
reading a
said
reference.
already, our discussion is not about the Masih, no. Our discussion is very particular, specific. I said that if a person says that Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the buruj of another human being, I am saying, and you said already before that this is not true, right?
What? Yes. I said what? I said it depends what he means by baruz.
You can do the meaning later, but first
Yeah,
let's agree
no
with the
later.
statement.
Meaning comes first. No later, brother. Meaning comes first.
Okay.
What do
okay.
you mean by baruz? Explain. Explain what do you mean by baruz.
You explain to us.
Wait,
You
I
do it.
explain to you.
Imtiaz
I
bhai,
explain to you.
Imtiaz bhai.
I
He
explain to you.
came, Ahmad came to the live mocking us for being jahil, not understanding the
Did I
terminology,
say that?
not
You lied. You
understanding the
lied.
meaning.
Wallahi, you lied.
For some reason,
Did I call you a jahil?
wait,
Did I
Ahmad,
call you
don't
a jahil?
interrupt.
Hashim,
Ahmad,
Don't,
Hashim, correct
don't,
him.
don't.
Correct him.
I
I'll
don't
go
think,
quiet.
Kalas, I don't know
I'll
if you
go
could have
quiet.
said that at that time.
Did I say jahil? Did I say
I'll go
jahil?
quiet.